Hey crafters, welcome to another episode of Craft Hits. On today's episode, we are going to be making another trinket tray. This time it's going to be winter themed and it's going to be a snowflake because my wife actually really liked the pumpkin one that I just made. So I'm going to do a winter one and themed around a snowflake. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. It really does help out with the algorithm and everything, and I really do appreciate it. And again, I really hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and thank you. All right, so it's been a couple of days and this is fully dried out. And I really like this one. This is a small little gift that I was just kind of put together for my wife. So it's a little trinket tray. I mean, she could store some stuff here, or she could put scrunchies on top of the candy cane. She's got a lot of little things that she could use this for. And I think it's a little bit cute. There's a few little minor flaws, because I noticed that some of these aren't exactly lined up. But overall, it's cute, and I think this is a really fun project. It's actually really easy if you want to try something like this. Oh, and I forgot, I snuck a little heart in here just for that. I only wanted to do the one side because I think it just kind of balanced itself out like that. But if you guys want to try making your own little projects like this, I do highly recommend it. And everything that I used in this video, I'm going to link in the description below with my Amazon affiliate links. You want to check that out. But overall, I hope if you have enjoyed, please do hit that like button. It really does help out with the algorithm and everything. But as always, hope you all have a wonderful day.